Oh no! Where would my money go? Ah!
This is not fear. This is smart finance. Every major conflict moved money. Investors who prepared, profited. Wars create massive wealth transfers. In 1939, gold rose 40%, and after 9/11, gold surged instantly. War destroys some wealth and creates other wealth, as money flows from paper and tech into gold, energy, and defense. Let's review the 7 safe haven assets: gold, silver, oil, and defense, plus food, cash, and real estate. Step 1. Cash first. Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in physical cash. Bank runs happen. Let's say your monthly expenses are $4,000. For 3 months, it's $24,000 ideal. Keep that at home in a safe. Step 2. Physical gold. In every war, gold prices went up. It can't be printed or frozen. For a balanced portfolio, allocate 10 to 20% to gold. You can start with physical coins and ETF or mining stocks. Start with 1 ounce today. Gold is $2,700 an ounce. Silver is just $32. It's surged in WW2 and is practical in crises. Energy is war's biggest winner. During conflicts, oil stocks soar. Look at these gains! A proven strategy. War disrupts supply. Less supply means higher prices and bigger profits for energy companies. Their stocks go up. Step 5. Defense companies always win in war. Every war, defense stocks surge 40 to 200%. Whoa, Lockheed is up 30%, Raytheon 40%, and the ITA ETF gives you all defense companies in one click. Food is the most underrated war asset. In the Ukraine-Russia war, wheat prices rose 70% in just 3 weeks. Option 1, DBA, a basket of food commodities. Option 2, John DM, the world's biggest food farm equipment leader. Food never goes to zero. Tech stocks drop heavily in war uncertainty. Crypto is strong in conflict values in war money. The Taiwan conflict would devastate the tech supply chain. This chart shows how war scenarios cause the Nasdaq to crash. War drives massive government spending, causing an inflation explosion. In World War II, U.S. inflation hit 20. Tips protect you from inflation. As inflation rises, your bond's value rises too. Unlike regular bonds, Tips keeps your purchasing power safe. Real estate isn't equal in war. Safe zones are rural and inland. Risky ones are coastal and near bases. Protect your portfolio. Here's the ranked list. 1. Physical cash. 2. Physical gold. 3. Silver coins and real estate. $10,000 split for protection. Cash, gold, energy, defense, agriculture, and tips. Fully protected in just 1 hour. Split your $1,000 into 4 parts. Even $1,000 can be war-proofed in 30 minutes. Start anywhere, but start today. First, buy from top dealers. Get coins, not paper. Store them securely and keep it secret. ETFs are liquid but can be frozen in a crisis, but are less liquid. The key is to use both for different scenarios. The US dollar is still the world reserve currency. In every crisis, money flew into dollars, not out. A 40% crash, shocking! But look, a full recovery to new highs in 2 years! This is the perfect buying opportunity. War begins, markets crash. The patient investor buys at the bottom. When the war ends, the market surges. The investor with cash wins everything. In a war phase, money rotates out of tech and consumer into energy, defense, gold, flows back to tech and growth. Know the phase. Could Bitcoin be a safe haven or crash like all risk assets? During COVID, it dropped 50%, then recovered. High risk and short-term war panic. Maximum 5% in crypto during war risk. Why? Bitcoin's digital gold upside. Only Bitcoin, not altcoins. Okay, month 1, build your emergency fund. Week 3, add some silver. Open brokerage, buy sector ETFs. Foundation complete! In month 2, we add an agriculture ETF and tips bonds. Then, we rebalance and set up all protection achieved. Monitor Reuters and AP for news and Fred for economic data. But gold is your canary in the coal mine, rising before wars escalate. When war ends, rotate back to growth. Sell gold and defense at the peak. Then, reap rallies come after war's end. History shows patterns we can learn from. After major conflicts, markets saw huge shifts in returns. History always rhymes. Be ready for both phases. First, selling everything for cash long-term is a mistake. Next, panic buying speculative stocks and ignoring inflation. Finally, not having a plan is the biggest mistake. Investor A prepared with a defense. Investor B did nothing. War escalated. A's portfolio is up. B's operation is the only difference. 7 moves for full protection. 1. Cash emergency fund. 2. Physical gold and silver. Tips and deploy cash on dips. Here are 4 great platforms, all free to use today. Fidelity for overall best, Schwab&Hood is the easiest, and Treasury Direct for government bonds. All free today. An anxious mindset sees war news and panics. A strategic mindset sees risk and calmly executes a plan. Strategy makes money. The 90-day war-proof portfolio challenge starts now. Month 1, cash, gold, silver positions. Month 3, monitor. Comment when your portfolio is protected. Open Fidelity account today if you don't have one. Order 1 silver coin from apemex.com right now. Start small, start today. Here are some fantastic free resources for you. From gold to news, all completely free. Check them out. WWII, gold up 40%. Gulf War, energy, offense up 40%. Same pattern every time. We are not predicting World War III. We are preparing for any scenario. Preparation costs nothing if peace continues. Coming next, how to get out of debt fast in 2026. The exact payoff order that saves the most money. Click the bell and subscribe. Are you prepared for economic uncertainty? Drop your current portfolio protection level below from 1 to 10.